Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, it's all things beauty, decor, and DIY. So in today's video, today baby, we are redoing my dining room because my dining room is boring, it's bland, and it's a hot mess. So if you're interested in decorating my very boring, bland dining room with me, then let's get it poppin'. Black rug. So I hate this kitchen floor. It is what it is at the moment. But you guys, this kind of literally makes this place the best part, which is, the dining room decor. So as much as I love my gray chairs, I really wanted a pop of color, and I found these turquoise seat covers on Amazon, and I'll put the link down below as well. But these truly like transformed the for me. They're so easy. All you do is just like cover up the chair, and it's like a completely new makeover. So I'm thinking about getting a few of these a few times like a year. Maybe like some yellow ones to like spruce it up in the springtime. Maybe some red ones for next year during Christmas time. But I like how you can literally like switch up your entire look of your chairs for less than 20 bucks. Game changer, Amazon. Game changer. Taking some spray paint, I'm spray painting these candles and the tray, just to really bring everything together. So this little hack you can do is spray paint candles and trays to really match the curtains to really bring everything together. Alright you guys, so let me show you the dining room now. Candles are spray painted, put inside of the candle holder. And then the seat covers and the curtains. And I'm really loving like this turquoise pop of color. So the dining room is done. It is holiday ready. I'm going to be doing a bunch of decorate with me videos because I am revamping the home for 2020. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Everything I use will be listed down below in the description box, and be sure to share with any of your friends who need a dining room refresh as well, but a budget friendly one, okay? Because we watching our coins for 2020.